Today, I want to talk about the importance of recovery. So recovery is 50% of the equation, right? If you're just going all the time and you're not ever allowing your body time to rest and restore and to digest and to downregulate, then it stresses your system. And actually all the things that you think you're doing for your self-care could actually be backfiring. I see this a lot with over-exercising, over-stressing about food, like under-eating or being extra particular, right? That stresses your system. And also where people trade sleep for other things like exercise, right? If you're constantly getting up at the crack of dawn because it's the only time you can exercise, over time, if you're missing out on sleep, that can be negatively affecting you. So there is a difference between going hard and fast all the time and not going at all, right? And we're somewhere in that spectrum. Some people are recovering 100% of the time and not getting up and moving. And then some of us are going too hard, too fast. It depends on which, belief system has been imprinted on you. So happy medium, right? We're named Alkalign because Alkalign is balance and we want you to find balance. So I like to move my body in some way every day. I do not go hard and fast almost ever anymore because I'm playing the long game with my body now. But you also want to be intentional about making sure you're carving out time for recovery. So recovery days can be some gentle stretching. It can be going for a gentle walk, not some crazy, like 10-mile hike uphill both ways. It could be just getting some, fresh air, maybe spending some time outdoors or doing something you really like, or spending time with people you really like. And just giving yourself that intentional time. I'm going to share with you a couple of the things that I like to do on recovery days. One of them involves this squishy ball. I like to do some gut rolling and some really gentle, kind of soft pressure myofascial release for my body. Sometimes I will use these balls and do something called recharge, which is a class offering that we offer here at Alkalign. You do need a set of yoga tune-up balls, so I'll include a link. They are like $20 to invest in. They come in different sizes. So if you collect all the sets, I think it's like $60, but huge return on investment. A little bit of rolling really helps you de-stress. It removes the knots and adhesions in your body and helps you better connect to what's happening in your body. When you slow down, you really get a chance to recognize what's happening. And sometimes you can catch something before it escalates or becomes a bigger deal. And then I'm going to include some other things like journaling, or just, it sounds silly, but just like coloring. You've seen those like adult coloring books where it's just, there's something, or like for me, I like to do puzzles. It just is relaxing in a way to decompress and to focus on something, somewhat mindlessly without further stressing your body. Our bodies are under stress for so many reasons all the time. So really invest in your self-care and take some time to rest, digest, restore, recharge, and to recover.